today I'm going to make fake ones and cuts out of flour and Vaseline. Okay, so what you'll need is Vaseline, a cup, flour, a spoon, and a Ziploc baggie just in case if you have extra and you want to save some. Okay, so first you'll have to grab your spoon and put some jelly inside. You're going to have to put this on the side. Then you're going to have to grab some flour. Pour some as much as you need. Like how much, like I say probably like 2 spoonfuls of flour. Then you start to mix. So it's kind of like dough. So this is what it looks like. You just take it out and make sure it looks like dough like this. Just rub it together. If it's like really sticky, just grab some more flour and just like mix it all in. I'm gonna do it on my sister's arm. So what you'll need is Vaseline for this one too. You're gonna choose the place. I choose right here. You're gonna put some Vaseline on your finger. Rub it in the area that you want it at. Want it this wide. And you grab the Vaseline. You blend it all in until it kind of looks like you want it like that. But make sure to wipe your fingers to make sure that there's no flour, Vaseline still on it before it would stick definitely to your finger. And you could grab a brush or sponge to just blend it in. I forgot you'll need makeup. So, but only use like purple or red. Okay, first you're gonna have to grab your makeup sponge, your foundation, and just squirt it on. You'll need a brush with like a corner like this, or you could just grab some scissors, but it's better if you have a sharp brush. Just make the line that you want. There, want it that far. Then you could just make it look deeper. Like that. Make sure the edges are okay. In your palette of eyeshadows, first you'll need the red and the purple. But first you gotta grab, your liquid blood. Just put it on your little brush. It's better if you do it all on this brush. So you put all the liquid. And you could grab black onto the red. Just keep on doing that to make a blood color. Yeah, so that's how you get the blood color. Do like a couple spots out. Okay. And then you'll need to grab your eyeshadow palette. Wipe kind of like the liquid stuff on a towel. Then grab the darkest red you have. Put it all in. So if you have extra on your brush, just tap some out of the skin. Then grab a purple eyeshadow. Then put it inside too. Put one outside. Okay, so just grab your brush and just make sure the skin looks like it's all old, all wrinkly and stuff. Just do that. Now you're gonna have to grab the black eyeshadow, then blend it all in. Then grab some of the purple, dark or light, and like on the outside do some bruises. Like it's a bruise. All on the outside. Then you grab some black too and just go over on top of it so it looks kind of dark. Then grab some green. You'll need some green to look for the bruise. Just do it all around, repeating it. Okay, it's done, but I should add a little bit more blood. So I'm gonna grab some black into the red. Just mix it all in. Then just dab it. Put it on a part and just dab it with your finger. You're gonna choose this one. It has purple and red in it, so it kind of looks like blood and kind of like a bruise. Grab some. Just dab some on the outside. And yeah.
That's how you did it.
That's how you do it. Well, bye! And look what I did to my hand. It's kind of like a Freddy Krueger look.